This exchange has insane welcome bonuses, an affiliate program, and you can trade so many different. Let's get into it right now. This exchange has been on the market for at least 13 years, so they've been around the block a while. The best part is there is no KYC required, but if you want to earn even more rewards, you can get some KYC.
This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor.
Know your customer. So this is pretty insane. And what I love is they do have copy trading. If you have been following the channel for a while, you know I'm a big fan of copy trading. So you can see right here, future copy trading. There is so many people that are trading and earning insane profits, and you join in on the fun. As you can see, this in the last, we can few different ways. We can do overall ranking. We can do total P&L, which would be this one. The profit and loss. This person has 243 users with 20% in the last 30 days. Insane value. So doing really, really well. We can see all of the profit, win, loss, rising stars. So you can see these people are rising stars, doing pretty well. It's really super easy to register. Just sign up for an account, put in either your email or your mobile number, depending on what you want to do. Once we have created our account, we can easily log in and that's it. I mean, that's how easy it is. No KYC, we can start depositing. We can do a peer-to-peer fiat deposit. We can do crypto deposits. As you can see, this is a brand new account. So there is a $10 coupon that I did receive for joining, which is pretty sweet. You can see that right here, coupon $10 USDT. And if we go through our futures, you can see that we do have the coupon for future trading. So if I wanted to go to the futures and do some BTC versus USDT, I can definitely do that with up to, I believe it's 250 leverage. So it says, please note that opening positions with more than 20x leverage increases the risk of forced liquidation. So just be mindful of that, but there is up to insane. This one says 50,000x, but yeah, that's crazy. As far as what else you can do, there's so much they have. They have their peer-to-peer deposits, assets, transfers, withdrawals, vouchers. They have an affiliate program that you can join, all exclusive rewards. So these are all the missions. Make your first copy trade, get $5, get $30 for making a $2,000 deposit, get $250 for making $500,000. It just keeps growing and growing. So insane amount of free money that they're giving. Registration, I got my $10. You can get more, $20 for doing KYC. You can make another, just all sorts of fun ways to earn free money just for taking part. There's so many benefits. They also have a VIP program. They have their campaigns, so you can see ongoing things that they're doing right now. So new exclusive, identify yourself, get $30, and all sorts of different rewards that you can earn right now. So pretty neat stuff. They also have no KYC, which I think is pretty sweet. I didn't go over the demo account, which you can learn to trade without spending any of your own money. I believe there's $100,000 in trading that you can practice with paper money, but I definitely would suggest checking it out for yourself. It's easy to get your deposit account. You can literally go to futures and demo trading right here. 100,000 USD virtual funds. I believe they also have it in market too for live trading. But if we look on the right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Move this over. You can see on this top right corner, demo trading versus live trading. So if you wanted to do live trading, you can do it right here. If you wanted to just test out with 100,000 in the demo account and using the different types of leverage, you definitely can do that too. So many different options for you to test. I definitely highly recommend getting an account and testing it for yourself and seeing if it is a platform that you would use on the daily. So definitely worth checking out. In a summary, there is a lot to go over, but let me break it down for you guys. Let me just bring you in tight here. If you sign up, you get an automatic $10. They also give you, I think, an additional $30 for doing KYC, and even more for starting your first trade, or doing your first deposit, and trading consecutively within, I think, 7 days. So all those plus an additional $100,000 in bonuses for qualifying for those. They also have a demo account using paper money up to $100,000, and there is no KYC if you don't want to. So definitely check out this amazing platform for all of your crypto needs. That's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, smash the like button, and ring that notification bell. And I'll see you on the next